Welcome everyone, this is Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with the card kit reveal and inspiration for our card kit Delicate Flowers for May 2019. I'll start you off with the exclusive Simon Says Stamp Delicate Flowers stamp set, and this is a 6x8 and it features really beautiful fine line flowers along with several messages. You can create a background or use the flowers individually to create a layered and stacked bouquet and then add one of the great messages from the top. The papers this month are from Moda Scrap, and this is from Let Your Soul Bloom paper pack. These are 6x6 individual sheets, so there are plenty of designs to use in your card making. There are some really great watercolor flowers and backgrounds, and designs that move up the paper. These colors and designs are just perfect for spring card making. And I also like to use the cover sheet to cut up for strips of stripes. Real quickly, I want to show you an up close of these beautiful watercolor flowers and butterflies. They're just stunning. To create some fun backgrounds, we've also included 3 colors of the new Holtz Alcohol Pearls, and these colors are Tranquil, Intrigue, and Sublime, and also a small bottle of the blending solution. To go with your alcohol inks, we've also included 2 sheets of the Holtz Alcohol ink cardstock, and this is the Silver Sparkle. It has a really nice sparkle to it, but yet it's smooth. And we've also included 2 sheets of 4x7 white Yupo paper. And continuing with the floral theme, we've also included 1 roll of Cartabella flower bouquet washi tape. We've included 3 envelopes for you this month. The first is metallic green leaf, also metallic cotton candy, and a plain bright white envelope. All of these envelopes have the no-lick stick. You can peel off the adhesive backing and then seal your envelope. And finally, the cardstocks this month are green leaf, 120-pound white Simon, and also a sheet of cotton candy. And now for some inspiration for you. I've created a background using the Alcohol Pearl inks and then white embossed my flowers over top and finished off with a black strip for my message. Cindy Norburg created this beautiful watercolor where she put the blossoms and also drew in some stems and then put her message at the top of the arrangement. I love how she thought out of the box to put everything together. And finally, Heather Hoffman made a set of cards where she stamped just the leaf portions in different color inks to create really beautiful, clean and simple cards. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our card kit Delicate Flowers. For additional inspiration, be sure to check out our blog and also our Delicate Flowers gallery. And as always, thanks so much for watching.